In this video, I would like to generate stock trading signals based on financial backtesting in Python. We are going to read historical index fund data and implement a simple backtesting for a trading system based on trend signals. Backtesting assesses the viability of a trading strategy by discovering how it would play out using historical data. Disclaimer: we do not give any advice to buy or sell stock. The purpose of this video is to illustrate a system of backtesting and signaling based on stock prices. Okay, so we start coding by importing the Python libraries NumPy and Pandas. For stock historical data of an index fund, we're using the data source from Yahoo Finance. The choice of index fund is arbitrary. The data reader returns time series data over 1 year. To get a first impression, we plot the closing quotes over time. The trend strategy I like to implement is based on 2 months, meaning 42 trading days, and on 1 year, meaning 252 trading days. We start by calculating these trends and plot the data. The plot shows directly what's happened in the past with respect to upward and downward trends. We can now add a number of rules to generate trading signals like buy, hold, and sell. In a new plot, we show when these 3 rules apply. Of course, we'd like to test this investment strategy based on the newly created stock trading signals. Now, let's assume the investor directly responded to these rules and we like to know the returns of this trend strategy. Therefore, we'll add the 2 columns, strategy and market, by shifting the time series 1 day. The question is, can the investor lock in a much higher return than a plain long investment by following this strategy? Does the strategy outperform the market? The final plot shows the results. This is an example of Python code using stock trend analysis to generate trading signals. If you have ideas on how to improve the code, I'll be happy to change the code and publish this in a new video. I'd like to thank you for watching the video. If you would like to see more examples of the stock trends analysis code, please leave a comment below. If you like more videos about Python and financial time series, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.